everyone, today I'm going to be dyeing my hair half pink and half yellow. I've done yellow quite a bit. I did it for around 5 or 6 months last year and I really liked it. Currently, as you guys can see, I have orange. I'm going to be using Arctic Fox hair dye. This is my favorite hair dye brand and I love that they have bigger bottles because I have a lot of hair, so I need bigger bottles. I'm using Neon Moon for the yellow and Virgin Pink for the pink. I did some strand tests of different pink hair dyes and Virgin Pink is what I liked most. Now, as you guys can see, I do currently have orange hair. I bleached my roots, but I didn't want to bleach the rest of my hair. I've been trying to fade it out, but it just doesn't want to fade super fast, luckily. It's like yellow toned enough so that the yellow should be fine on this side. It's the pink that I'm worried it's going to be like salmony, but we'll see. I mean, it's hair, it grows back. I just really want something different, and I've never done half and half hair, so I'm excited. I even did like a makeup look with half and half. So I did like yellow here, pink here. I'm going to be doing yellow hair dye here and pink hair dye here. So yeah, if you want to see me dye my hair half pink and half yellow, just keep watching. It's not easy to do. I split my hair down the middle as much as I could. I'm using a clip to keep them separated. I'm going to start with the yellow, I want to say, just to be safe, because I want to get that sitting relatively soon. So that's what it looks like. Okay, that was not smooth. That wasn't smooth either. Okay, it's just wanting to fart, so we're just gonna say that worked out. As always, when you dye your hair, use gloves. I mean, yes, semi-permanent hair dyes, they come out, you know, decently well, but just to be safe, wear your damn gloves, okay? I've already stained my hand from the strand tests, so I don't need to stain it more. So there we go. I got gloves. Hallelujah. Sweaty and glowing, so have fun dealing with that. I'm going to start on the tops of both, just so that I'm using a makeup palette as a mirror. This is like the only palette where, as beautiful as the packaging is, I wouldn't dye if I got hair dye on it. So this is one of my favorite palettes. But if you're wondering, those makeup lovers out there, I'm wearing the Jeffree Star Extreme Frost highlighters, Gag Me, and then Sour Ice. No, not Gag Me. This is Lick My Glit, and this is Sour Ice. I have that on my inner corners as well, and then on my eyes, I'm using the Huda Beauty Melted Shadows. I have the like yellowy one, and then I have one of the new pink ones. I love them, just saying. Okay, so let's finally get into dyeing my hair. I actually didn't mind when the orange faded to this yellowy orange, but since I did my roots, kinda gotta dye it or else I'm gonna think it's super ugly. Okay, I'm just gonna, okay, there we go. I'm not a professional, by the way. Like, I'm not. In any way, shape, or form. I'm just me. There we go. I'm really worried about the pink mixing in with the yellow near my roots. That's like the only thing about my roots where I'm like, but it should be fine, right? That's like the best I've ever done in my life, so it should be fine. I mean, they're still going back now. I am gonna do the pink as well. As you guys can see, I'm running out. Gotta get some thumbnails up in the... My dad's helping me with my hair, so sometimes you just need your dad's help.
This is to get the...
Well, I can...
You can do all that.
I can do... Yeah. that's okay. By the time I'm done, I'm gonna have it all over my face and neck, so. Only you would get hair dye on your nose. And perfectly on your nose, almost. I know it smells good, but it's not for you. At least it's safe for you, dumbass. Okay, so now that I have all my hair dyed, I'm gonna leave it on for a while. You can leave it on for like half an hour, but I usually leave it on for a few hours because I just want it to really soak into my hair. I'm really excited to see how the pink turns out. I don't really care about the yellow, honestly, and I may very well go to a different color as soon as I can fade out the orange, but yeah, I'm excited to see the pink. The ends are obviously going to be more salmon-y than I want, but it's okay. Overall, I wasn't impressed with the half and half hair. I just didn't like how they looked together. The pink was way too intense and almost reddish, and it just didn't go good with the yellow. So I ended up messing up my hair a little bit. I tried to add purple into the yellow, but then it just turned brown, so I ended up bleaching half of my hair. That was a process. And I just dyed that side pink with Arctic Fox Virgin Pink. So this side is the same, but it's like more red toned because of the orange and prior. And the other side is more pink. I really, really like the pink side. I don't care for the red side, and eventually I may end up bleaching the color out. Like, I know it's not good, but hey, I'm not a professional. I just really like the pink. But then I'm going to go to fuchsia, and then I'm going to have purple. But for now, I have pink, and I'm happy with it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please subscribe. Comment down below any video you'd just like to see me do. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
The hair dye that I'm going to use is Arctic Fox. It's one of my favorite hair dye brands. It might actually be my favorite one. Shut up. Are you guys babies? Are you? Hi.
Okay, that was lame. Do better. Then there's Effie.